Huh. Why is my KEC-74 weather radio not gone off yet? Got some speed thruster warnings down for Indianapolis.
Temporarily off the air. This NOAA weather radio station is temporarily off the air. Please tune to an alternate weather radio broadcast or visit weather.gov for the latest weather information.
Of course. Good timing, National Weather Service in Indianapolis. Oh well, maybe it's just KEC-74. What's KJY-93 looking like, eh?
Broadcast or visit weather.gov for the latest weather information. This NOAA weather radio station is temporarily off the air. Please tune to an alternate weather radio broadcast or visit weather.gov for the latest weather information. This NOAA weather radio station is temporarily off the air. Radio broadcast or visit weather.gov for the latest weather information. Temporarily off the
air. So, enhanced risk severe weather day for parts of IND. And yeah, we're going to decide to not have any all our weather radio stations go off the air for Indianapolis jurisdiction. What the balls, National Weather Service in Indianapolis. 10 out of 10. 10 out of 10. Perfect job on completely goofing up and not getting any warnings out today. Good job. What the heck, National Weather Service Office in Indianapolis? Once again, why is our warnings being furnished by National Weather Service in Wichita? Okay, either there's some major problems with IND, or they just are completely unlucky with their timing of their, like, servicing and maintenance stuff. And why Wichita? Why not Northern Indiana? Why not Louisville? Why not Wilmington? Why not Chicago? Why not Lincoln? Why Wichita? I don't know. National Weather Service in Indianapolis makes no sense sometimes.